Hey guys, this is my first video telling you about my experience with Lordhair. I have been using their systems for 2 years now. I was really pleased with the results and with their products and especially with their service. They are really nice, they are really kind, they answer your questions right away and they give you all the necessary details for you to make the best choice about the unit that you want to choose. My hair that I wear now, it has been almost a year that I have been wearing it, and last week I received the new system. As you can see, it's brand new. It's made out of lace, French lace, color 1B, 30 gray %. I always choose 30 or 40% gray hair because my natural hair, especially on the sides, is really gray, almost like salt and pepper. Tonight I will change this system with a new one that I recently bought from Lordhair, and tomorrow morning I will go to my hairdresser in order to make the final cuts and adjustments in order to look good and natural, and I will come back with further details, guys. Hey guys, it's me again. As you can see, I have this new unit and I went to the stylist to have my hair cut to better integrate it with my natural hair. I'm really pleased with the result. I think he did a great job. As you can see, the color, it's a bit darker because the unit is new, but after a few washes it will get lighter. I avoid dyeing my hair, my natural hair. Actually, I did it a few times, but I wasn't pleased with the results. It's always better to choose a system which has a certain percentage of gray hair. Even if your natural hair is not as salty and pepper as mine, you can add 10 or 20% for a more natural feeling. So, hope you are pleased with the results. If you have any questions or advice to give me, please comment below the video, and I will also leave some before and after pictures with me. And thank you, Lordhair. You do a great job providing us with the best hair units in the market, and hope to see you soon.